How you guys doing? You guys just getting off of work?
What?
You guys just getting off of work? Okay, you both have Summit remodeling shirts on, a renovation.
Yeah.
Is trabajo?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just looking for a guy that had a gray shirt, but he had something else on the front. So, thanks. No, you're good. Thank you. 246. I'll be out with them. We're gonna be right by the pumps on the west side. How you doing, man? Hey, somebody called and said they were worried about you. Said you were asking for water or something.
What?
Are you doing okay?
Save. What?
Sorry. Hey, don't touch, dude. Come here. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Step it up. Thanks, guys.